Hey, boys and girls. So I hope you're having a great day. And I am excited because while you guys are doing reading, I am going to visit Emily and Austin, which I'm super excited about. So I'll tell you all about it when I get back. Today, for reading, you're going to continue doing what we've been doing, which was learning about informational text structures. Remember, I told you that this was really important, and we had over half of our class show that they really needed more practice with this from our last iReady diagnostic. So I want to go over the next text structure. We've already looked at together. We've looked at description, sequence and order, cause and effect. Today, we're going to look at problem and solution. So if you look in this, the article we're going to look at today, the title is going to be called Why Recycle. So you'll write Why Recycle right here on your space. And then what is the problem and solution text structure? So you're probably familiar with this because we see this a lot in science text or in more current event type of text. So, but I want to tell you the definition so that you can write it in, and I'll repeat it a couple of times. And I think I'm going to share my screen with you so that I can write it in here for you. Except for now, I realized I forgot to plug in my projector. So this is just like normal, right? I'm going to switch camera so that you can see the problem and solution. So I'm going to write it in and you fill it in your booklet, all right? So what is the problem and solution text structure? This type of text organizes information, and I'm going to abbreviate information by saying info, around an issue. And in parentheses, I'm going to write problem because that's what it means by issue. This type of text organizes information around an issue or problem and gives something that was, can be, or should be done. To solve it. So that would be, in parentheses, the solution. So this type of text organizes information around an issue or problem and gives something that was, can be, or should be done to solve it. Solution. So I'll wait just a second and give you a chance to catch up with me. So one of the ways that we can better understand where an author hides the information in this type of text structure is to look at those signal words. So I'm going to circle the word signal words. And fortunately, on the back of your sheet, I've given you a little chart that has the text signal words for problem and solution. So I'm going to help you and we'll write them and transfer those signal words over here. Okay. So there was concern, was one of them. So change, prevent, maybe so that, or the answer is one way to fix or solve. Okay, so those are all words that might be used to be able to signal to you, oh, this is a problem and solution text structure. right? So here's what you're going to do for the rest of your time today. You're going to read this very short article. Make sure that you pay attention not only to the words of the text, but that you also take time to look at the graphics here, here, and here, because that may be where some information is hidden for you as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to finish this last section of your booklet that asks the question, what does is the problem? I think that should say, what is the problem in this article and how can it be solved? So you will need to write a complete constructed response, and you know it's going to be constructed in response because I can hear you saying it all the way in Florida, because there's more than just a small space for you to write in. So that's your signal that you're supposed to use complete sentences and answer the question, what's the problem in this article and how can it be solved? So once you're done with that, take a photograph of it, upload it to Google Classroom for your score for today. I'm looking for complete sentences, capitals, punctuation marks at the end of a sentence, and a complete thought. You need to, when you're done, upload that picture to Google Classroom, and then you can use the rest of the time you have today reading a book and turn this into the bucket for me so that I can use them again next year. So once again, hope you're having a really great day. Be good. And I can't wait to hear about all the great learning while I was gone.